Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna do an apartment tour, which is a luxury. I call it luxury apartment. The apartment right behind me, that's not my apartment. It's my friend's Omkar's apartment. But before we actually go into there, I want to show you around a little bit what facilities and amenities you get in this apartment by paying $4,000. Actually, 4,000 plus dollars apartment. So let's get started. Okay, so this whole thing over here, if you look at all of it, this is whole big apartment complex. It's a huge apartment. Like the entire thing is like plus more than 100 or 200 apartments in this whole complex, and it's like a society which we have it in India or Mumbai specifically. So it's super huge, and there's lots and lots of trees. Okay, so the reason I said luxury apartment because it has gate and it's a gated community, which means none of the people can get inside without crossing that gate, and you need a key, special key to lock, unlock, and unlock whatever you get it.
Yeah, you get it right. Yeah.
You have to have this keys. Without this keys, you cannot get in. So let me show you this. So now I can't open this and I can't get into it. So, or he can just open it for me. Okay, so look at all of this around. This whole thing is the same apartment complex, and all of them have different 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and this whole thing is the same apartment. Okay, I'm gonna show you the gym because they have amazing gym over here, and swimming pool, and jacuzzi, and other things too, and like a jogging park, walking park. And gym membership in San Francisco can get super expensive, or San Jose Bay Area, or all of that. Let's go to the gym. Yeah, so that's the gym, and oh yeah, that's also me working out, trying to show you that I can work out. But it's a super big gym. You can see there's pretty much all the equipments you need for the gym, like weightlifting, cardio. You can see, oh yeah, I can also do a little bit of back workout. Sure, why not? I mean, I'm only lifting 20 pounds, but yeah, that's back workout. Also, there's treadmills and stair steppers and all of that. You also have like weight and dumbbells and all of that. But if you go a little bit inside, there's a yoga room or a kind of meditation room. So you can see there are people who are doing some stretching exercise. But that's the gym, that's the entire gym. And it's a very big size gym. You can pretty much work out over here. So garage right there, you see that's the parking spot for your car. You get two or three depending on the apartments you select, but 3-bedroom you get 2 parking spots, and it's very important to be parked in a gated garage. Also, this is the area where you can see all the people are walking around, and that's where you can kind of just walk and chill and hang. Some people will also jog in this area, so you might see people jogging over there. So that's why they have built it so huge that you can have your own jogging track or walking track. Plus it just feels so super nice and serene and amazing. I love this apartment. I might actually move here. Super beautiful, super calm, super scenic. I mean, this is just beautiful. Right there is a swimming pool. It's an Olympic size swimming pool. We're gonna swim in a bit, but I'm not gonna show you that. But that's a swimming pool and a jacuzzi, so we're gonna show you that. Also, you can't get in without the key. I love swimming, and it's always nice when your apartment has a swimming pool. All you have to do is just kind of, change your clothes, come down and take a dive in your swimming pool. It's an Olympic size swimming pool, so you can swim and do the laps. Also, sometimes you can just relax and chill down and cool off. Super nice swimming pool, isn't it? So when you have few friends over and you want to just kind of chill, this is a chill area. You can bring your coffee, drinks, whatever, and just kind of hang out over here. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the apartment. Data center का assignment किया? Before we get into the tour part, I just want to warn you that my friend just moved in. So if you see the mess, it's because of that. There's furniture all around, so you will see. Okay, so this is the living room and that's the entrance right there. But the way this apartment works is there's 3 floors. Each roommate gets it's a 3-bedroom apartment. So there's 3 floors and each roommate gets their own floor. This is my friend's kind of floor, but also living room, kitchen, which is behind you, which we'll show you in a minute. So that's how it works. So everyone gets their own bedroom and a bathroom, and they pay about $1,200, but the total rent is about more than $4,000 if you go and book it right now. Okay, so right here is where the dining place is, where we sit and eat and kind of chill, and then this is where the TV is, so we can kind of play video games and stuff like that. And now if you come right here, that's where the kitchen is. Let me show you. And this is where the kitchen is. Pretty fancy kitchen. You get a fridge with it. You also get microwave. You also get gas and get oven and everything. So all comes with it. Okay, so that's where the second floor is. This is like the top floor where the kitchen and living room and my friend's bedroom is. But I'm going to show you where the laundry and washing and drying is. So let me show you that. Right here is the laundry, and I can open this. This is the pretty small size. So if you see it from here, you can put your dryer in there. You can put your dryer in there, and then this is where you can put the clothes in there. That's all of the detergent. So that's pretty much it for the laundry part. Okay, so that was the laundry right there, and then if you come here, this is another entrance. So I can open it and show you. So that's the entrance. So remember, I said 3 floors. So this is the second floor. There's one more floor on the bottom. Exact same model. There's a bedroom right there, and this is where the bedroom is. I'm sleeping because it's not my friend. So there's another person living down there, and then if you come right here, is another kind of bedroom over there. I'm not going to go all the full detail in the bedroom. I'll show you the bedroom which is on the top floor because that's my friend's bedroom. This is another bedroom and another kind of study area slash you can see this is another friend of mine who lives here, and it's a kind of nice study area where you can see, and then there's a bedroom right there, but we're not going to go in there. Now let's go on the top floor so I can show you the bedroom and the view from the bedroom, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so we are back to the top floor where the kitchen is, living room right there, and then the living room is right there, and then if you turn around, that's where the bedroom is, and you can see kind of the bedroom over there. This is the bathroom, big size bathroom over here. So nice shower, bathtub, and all of the fancy things over there. And let me show you. Now we are officially in the bedroom of my friend, and that's the bedroom. That's the bed. That's my bed. Just for a couple of days because I'm living here. Okay, so this is kind of nice bedroom right here, and then if you come here, this is the kind of study area. My friend is a business analyst and he works from home, which is I'm super jealous about. But and you can tell him that his business analyst is like super organized. I mean, project managers are also not organized. Like my house is not so organized, and that's the closet area, by the way. That's where you can store your clothes and stuff and etc. things. And then that's about it. And the view over here is street view, just basic street view. I don't know where my car is, probably parked right there, but that's pretty much it for the apartment tour. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think about the apartments over here. And until our next one, keep smiling and keep hustling. Okay, so before we actually get into the, no, I have to do it again. Okay, so and you need this key. So without